Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we discuss the how to choose batteries for your solar systems in Pakistan. If you are considering installing a solar system in Pakistan, it's important to understand the battery's role in the system. Any solar system must have solar batteries as they enable you to store the energy produced by the solar panels for usage. When the sun is not shining, however, with so many different types of battery available in well, it can take time to determine which one of the best fits your system. In this article, we will explore how to choose batteries for your solar system in Pakistan by discussing the following subtopics. Types of batteries used in solar systems. Several different types of batteries are commonly used in solar systems, including lead acid, lithium ion, and others. Every type has benefits and drawbacks, so the best option for your system will rely on your individual requirements and taste. Most solar systems employ lead-acid batteries because they are dependable and reasonably priced. However, they require regular maintenance and have a shorter lifespan than other types of batteries. Lithium-ion batteries are most expensive but last longer and require less maintenance. Battery capacity required by the capacity of your solar battery is measured in amp or Ah and refers to the amount of energy it can store. To determine the battery capacity needed for your solar system, you will need to consider the factors such as the size of the system, power consumption, and climate conditions in Pakistan. A larger system, larger systems with high power consumption will require a larger battery with a higher capacity. Battery voltage requirement. The voltage of your battery is another critical factor to consider when choosing a battery for your solar system. The voltage of your battery should be compatible with the other components of the solar system, such as the solar panels and an inverter. Choosing a battery with the wrong voltage can result in poor performance or even can damage your system. Depth of discharge (DOD). The depth of discharge (DOD) measures how much energy you can safely remove from your battery before recharging it. The higher the DOD, the more energy you can use from your battery, but it also reduces the battery's lifespan. Choosing battery with an appropriate DOD for your system is important to ensure that you are getting the most out of your battery without reducing its lifespan. Charging option for battery. Several different charging options are available in solar batteries, including solar charge controllers, AC chargers, and others. Solar charge controllers are the most common and allow you to regulate the amount of energy going into your battery from your solar panels. AC chargers change your battery from the grid, which can be useful if you do not have enough sunlight to charge your battery. Battery maintenance and monitoring. To ensure that your solar battery is working at least its best, it's essential to maintain and monitor it regularly. Regular inspection and maintenance procedures can help you identify and address any issues with the battery before they become more significant problem. Monitoring your battery's performance can also help you identify any changes in its performance or lifespan. Choosing the right battery manufacturer and vendor. Choosing the right battery manufacturer and the vendor is crucial and ensure a high quality battery that meets your needs. When choosing a manufacturer or vendor for solar batteries, it's important to consider factors such as quality, warranties, and customer service. Look for a manufacturer with a proven track record of producing high quality batteries designed to last. You will also want to choose a vendor offering a battery warranty, as this can provide added peace of mind if something goes wrong. Consideration. The most solar batteries can vary significantly depending on the type of battery you choose and capacity you need. While it's important to consider the cost of the battery, it's also important to balance performance and the price when making your decision. Investing in a high quality batteries may cost more upfront, but it can save your money in the long run by reducing the needs of maintenance and replacement. Environment factors. In the performance and lifespan. The performance and lifespan of solar batteries in Pakistan can be considerably impacted by environment conditions, including temperature and the humidity. High temperature can reduce the lifespan of batteries, while a low temperature can reduce their performance. And humidity can also affect the performance of the battery by causing corrosion and other issues. When choosing a battery of your solar panel, it's important to consider the environment condition in your area and choose battery designed to perform well in those conditions. Future. I hope that you will be able to buy the batteries according to your need after watching this video. Allah Hafiz.